Some manners don't like me, they try and bad mind me when Canoe comes to town. All I say is mine's right and they lose the limelight when Canoe comes around. Some try to screw me or even sue me, but it don't work cause the crowd don't boo me. You ain't a true G, I'm too deep, how can Canoe stay on the ground? I ain't like most that roll around and kick shit off, I hold it down. But we're still gully, the only pop you'll hear from us is pop, pop, pop them out. Act up and get boxed in the mouth, cause you're just playing a gangster. You ain't never weighed it out, full a bouncer. You ain't never hit no blocks in your mouth. You ain't got love in north, west and south. And I'm an east boy, you're a chief boy. I finish it when you start the beef boy. Girls like me, but I ain't a sweet boy. So boy, don't think you can move to me and think I'll be asleep boy. Cause I'm on my P's and Q's. That's why I make more P's than U's. Even when I've been freezing twos. Slip, there ain't no reason to. Slipping. If there ain't a blitz between the click, that's slipping. No whip out the manner linking chicks, that's slipping. That's slipping. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. I hate losing, so I ain't snoozing. From London to Luton, I'm moving. I'm even murking overseas, and I got it locked from London to Leeds. Please, from time you heard me shine. Now I'm big from London to Merseyside. You got lines, but you spit like nursery rhymes. This year's gotta be mine, I'm the first in line. Wow, you got your first rewind, but the second line sounded like the first line. I ain't got punchlines, I got kick lines, and I ain't commercial, but I got hit lines. I spit deep rhymes, but I got the girls on my side from the first rewind. You might see my face in a magazine or in a fur coat in Face magazine, cause they're spreading the word down from raves that I've been, and they're bringing the purse out to pay for my team. I couldn't give a shit or breaking the scene, making a scene and start making the cream. See, I got a gang with me, and when you walk with a gangster lean, you all talk, you don't wanna rap with me. There's no jokes or no pranks with me. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. In sneaks or shoes, we're in a Honda, fuck it, no Jeeps and coupes. We'll chief your crew, we're so hungry we'll teeth your food. So mind out before you find out who you're speaking to. I speak to yous on a level and speak the truth. So please, let's fuck in me, but there ain't no me in you. And please, you ain't busting one, let alone squeezing two. Say cheese, but it won't be a snapshot, pull out and try and hit like the jackpot leave. I ain't waiting around baiting the town for K to be found, that's slipping. If there ain't a blitz between the click, that's slipping. No whip out the manner linking chicks, that's slipping. That's slipping. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. If you see me in a game with my crew, believe I'm on my P's and Q's. Even on my own too, that's the difference between me and you. That's the difference. See what I'm saying? You gotta be on your P's and Q's. This day and age is serious outside. Hold tight, my niggas. Stand strong, it's Canoe. Yeah. Da Vinci. Straight taking over. No long thing, no prisoners. Woo! 2004.